Are you struggling to make your text automatically resize in QML? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge when working with QQuick. Today, we will explore how to achieve that elegant text resizing you're looking for. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when your text doesn't fit the space you want it to. You want your application to look polished and professional, but sometimes the text just doesn't cooperate. You're in the right place to find a solution. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I make the text automatically reduce the font size when the element size decreases? They shared their current method, but it feels a bit clunky. Sound familiar? Let's see how we can improve it. So, what's the issue here? The user is trying to dynamically adjust the font size based on the width of the parent element. While their current approach works, it lacks elegance and might not be the most efficient way to handle text resizing. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a much smoother solution for resizing text in QML, and I promise it will make your projects look so much better. To achieve automatic text resizing in QML, the user can utilize the text fit property. This property allows the text to adjust its size based on the available space. Next, the user should define a minimum point size for the text. This ensures that the text does not become too small to read. Now, the user can set the font size to a larger value initially. This will allow the text to scale down as needed when the container size changes. Finally, the user should ensure that the text element is centered within its parent. This will maintain a visually appealing layout as the text resizes. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphical user interfaces were developed in the 1970s? They were a game changer for how we interact with computers today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests setting the width and height of the text item relative to its parent. This ensures the text fits properly within the designated area. They shared a working example using QML. They also noted that if the rectangle is very small, the text might overflow due to the minimum point size set to 10. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach shared by another user addresses the issue of reusing fonts across your application. Instead of changing the global font size, they suggest creating a new font instance. This allows you to adjust the font size relative to the parent element without affecting other text elements. Here's a pro tip. Always test your text resizing on different screen sizes. This ensures that your application looks great on any device, making it more user-friendly. And there you have it. You now have a cleaner and more efficient way to handle text resizing in QML. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on QQuick development.